So you can't buy gold coffee with gold, right? When people would say you're going to take your bar of gold and you're going to, shave off a little bit of gold. Well, even when we were on a gold standard, you didn't use gold to buy coffee. You used another metal. You used copper, right? And, we used pennies because you couldn't take gold and use it to buy something as inexpensive as a cup of coffee. But today you can. That is the beauty of a monetary system, on a blockchain, is I can take a tiny piece of gold and use it to buy a cup of coffee. And that transaction can be effected at a fraction of the cost of transferring Bitcoin and in a reliable manner. Because if I am a barista and I want to sell my coffee, I can price it in gold.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, do you see the reason why I talk about Globiance International so much and their relationship and partnership with Contact Gold? If you go back to January, we got here Globians and Contact Gold Dubai to offer gold-backed, silver-backed tokens. What? What is happening here? Are you putting the pieces together, ladies and gentlemen? Take a look here. Globian CEO Oliver LaRosa and Navin De Sosa, Contact Gold CEO, are pleased to announce that they have signed a contract on January 7th, 2023 to issue a supply gold and silver-backed tokens.
We on location. I remember way back. You ain't have no swag. You did a little research. Now you got a moon bag. Now you got a new walk. Now you got new swag. You did a little research. Now you got a moon bag. Well, let me show you what the moon bag's like. You take them gains when it gets that high. I mean, the market may dip for a little bit. That's when I hurry up and buy. Me, I just wanna rub them thighs. I like my oatmeal chunky. Banana nuts all in it. Shit, you're talking about the blockchain monkeys. It's a solo nation.
Now, when it comes to crypto, we're talking about cold storage. Get your crypto off the exchange and into a cold storage wallet to where only you have access, okay? Decent wallet link in the description. Now, what is going on, blockchain monkeys? Eagle here, and I want to thank you for coming to my jungle. First of all, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, nor am I professional in blockchain technology, but there is one thing that I absolutely will do, and that's give my opinion. So today, we got to come back in on Globiance and their partnerships and everything that they're building over there. And then XDC, it is out the wazoo. Before we can even get started, I'm going to need you to rub them hands together real vigorously and slide down Twitter. And as I said earlier, ladies and gentlemen, runs on XDC, the innovators. Let's get down to business. We have here Oliver LaRosa, CEO of Globians, and Will Folks, founder of Stability. They sit down with Andre Casterman, the advisor of Globians Pay, to discuss their latest partnership. But even more, ladies and gentlemen, for those who are new to Globians and do not know what they're building, we have here Oliver LaRosa.
Tell us about Globians. Okay. As I said before, Globians is a crypto exchange and Globians Pay is the banking part in the background. So basically, we have an integrated platform where you have crypto and banking combined in one. In the near future, we will also join investment management and securities dealing licenses in the package so that we have really an all-around platform where all your financials can happen. We have services for retail, we have services for businesses, we have merchant services like the Globians Checkout, where you can already today replace it with your traditional credit card checkout so that people can handle all the transactions. Everything what can be paid online will be paid on the Globians Checkout with crypto. We have also a QR, POS, where we basically merchant.
And you thought it was just another exchange. Ladies and gentlemen, the branches that come off of Globians is out the wazoo. Let's go.
The same also works in the checkout. So you have your three possibilities. Basically, you can just make a simple crypto transaction to the Globians checkout page, or you can log in with your Globians account, or you can just simply use your app.
Just covering all your needs, ladies and gentlemen.
We are integrating in a lot of new payment, business, and services that helps everyone to do all daily business and transactions within our platform. But also, as you know, since 2018, when we entered crypto, we were always interested to be.
Now, did you hear what he said, ladies and gentlemen? Since 2018, they've been building. Let's go.
So working on this cooperation with Stability for us is again a new milestone where we try to become totally carbon negative with what we do. So basically cleaning up the planet while servicing everyone with financial transactions.
Very good.
Now switching to XDC, which Globiance runs on. Okay, you have your coming in hot from Crypto Near D, XDC Sunil Senapati, COO at Zenfin. Integration with Mletr. And for those who do not know what that means, we're talking about the model law on electronic transferable records. It aims to enable the legal use of electronic transferable records that are functionally equivalent to transferable documents or instruments. Do you see what they're doing, ladies and gentlemen? They are setting these standards. Take a listen.
Here is model law for electronic transferable records, which basically means when a country enacts Mletr into their constitution, which basically means the paper, the way you treat paper, a trade document paper, you will treat an electronic document in the same manner, which means it will have the same weightage. If I give you an electronic...
Sitting in the front row seats of this rocket. Let's go.
Our liability is same as giving you a paper document. That's in simple meaning of it. And once a country enacts that into their laws, then the traders, their job becomes much easier. They don't have to wait for a paper to come by a courier. They can just receive an electronic document and go and clear the cargo.
Oh my goodness.
To the trade. And they could do a lot. So we are we are mindful of this development as we have been watching this space for so long.
Huge.
And we are working on a solution which is going to be very useful for SME traders. And this product is something which will release early September. So please watch out for that, which is going to be very, very useful. I'm not allowed to speak any more on that, but hey.
Just by you saying you're not allowed to speak any more on that is enough for me. Let's go.
So
It's going to be fast.
And coming in hot again from Crypto Near D, the clearest connection between XDC and JP Morgan. XDC, future-proofing trade transactions. We have your clear eye, AI plus JP Morgan. Take a look. Are you connecting the dots, ladies and gentlemen? Now, this is what Mike Novogratz was saying when he said they are building the plumbing. Oh my goodness. So now, just taking a quick look back in time, we have here May 21st, 2019. Finastra signs on 3 more banks to Corda blockchain platform. What is the native token of Corda? And so real quick, ladies and gentlemen, something to think about before I let you go. We have here XDC's Finastra's Fusion Trade Innovation, front end and back end. Take a look at the integration here.
Now let's have a look inside the bank and see how the solution benefits Brian, Head of Trade Finance Operations. Brian needs to optimize compliance checks and streamline the document checking process, so transactions are turned around quicker for engine parts Inc. A member of Brian's operations team uploads the documents and the system automatically completes sanctions and compliance checks, checks for consistency, and identifies potential discrepancies. This information is fed directly into Fusion Trade Innovation for processing. The document and sanctions checking solutions were delivered as a pre-integrated app from Finastra, allowing us to realize value immediately through reducing the need for additional testing.
Come on!
With a unified digital channel and a market-leading back office for working capital finance, I've been able to reduce operating costs by 60% and support clients who were previously unable to grow their business or access financing. Are you ready to deliver new products and services to your corporate clients at faster speed and lower cost? With Finastra, you can. Imagine a world with Fusion Trade Innovation. Win new business, deliver new products at speed, and reduce operating costs with an integrated, automated working capital finance solution. Improve customer experience through a front-to-back solution that gives a consolidated view of transactions and data for both the bank and the client. Future-proof your business with an ecosystem of pre-integrated value-add apps built with open APIs and available in the cloud. The future of working capital finance is open.
They are putting it right in your face.
Cause it's the standard in this bitch. SRP. I went to YouTube University, and now they mocking me with no degree. We saying by the swift, keep it walking, respecting elders in these bushes. Bitcoin is talking.
You don't have to be rich to be taking advantage of this. This was the beginning of the greatest transformation of wealth the world has ever fucking seen since World War II.
Blockchain, blockchain. We talking about an intellectual choo-choo train. It's DLT up in the streets, man. That's why we rip all on that blockchain. Blockchain.